So we're here picking up some new family friends for Ledwich Family Farm. It's been a long drive and this is the start of our journey, so yeah. Okay.
Never disciplined.
Aww.
And so she kind of
on the road.
felt like she owned it, and she would run like anybody that came over, she would run them out of the trailer.
Oh,
and
yeah.
eventually they kicked her out of the trailer.
Oh
and
no!
Set her free into the town and just abandoned her.
Oh no. Oh. Yeah, here we are. We almost got her in there. We're just going slowly at a little bit at a time here with her. And yeah, that's their little chute that we worked up, and now we're just doing the final little hurrah to her new home.
Watch out, Justin. Justin, they took the apples.
So Regan made her way down. She's wagging her tail right away after getting down the ramp. It's a little warm out today. It's a little out of breath. Yeah, that was really cool. She right away was wagging her tail and was all happy. She's going under the trailer here. It's hard to get a picture, and she's been going under the trailer here. See? So this is her new home, and she'll be not confined to a barn or anything. She'll be a nice little free space. And she's already rooting, and she's already digging in the ground like her natural habitat. So, oops. So I'm gonna help Chris with Russell, and we'll get this going. So I'll be back.
So what do you have there, Justin?
We have a new family friend here coming up.
I just find it hilarious that dill pickle chips are working. Just like for Bubba. Oh.
So Russell's just coming down to his new home. Yeah.